Hi, I'm Sarah Walker from our Consultant Development and Training team. I'm here to talk to you today about our all-new product. We are so excited for this. It is called the Scentsy Air. If you're already familiar with our fan and pod system, you're gonna really love this one. This one, you set it and forget it. You will enjoy instant scent throw in your space. And guess what, guys? This will fragrance your space between 200 and 1,000 square feet. Stay tuned, we're gonna go through a setup and I'm also gonna show you 14 different light modes. All right, let's set this up. Something you need to know is it does come with a USB cord, so you can plug that into your power source. Next, you want to load it with 4 Scentsy Pods. Now the really great thing about this is you can mix and match to customize your own fragrance. Then you put the lid back on and you'll press the power button to turn it on. Now that it's turned on, I want to go through some of the features that you'll experience with the Scentsy Air. So I do want to point out that there are 3 fan speeds. So when you first hit that power button, this automatically turns it to low. You do have another option, so you can do medium or high. You can set it and have it run continuously if you'd like, or you can set a timer. We do have another button right here for that timing. You can select 2, 4, or 8 hours, and then it'll automatically turn off when it's done. As promised, there are lots of light modes. So this last button on the side here will start it with the default. Now this is automatically going to start with the candle flicker. If you continue to hit the button, it will then start to cycle through the different colors, almost on a gradient or a rainbow effect. If you hit that button one more time, you can start to cycle through the different lights and the colors individually. To enjoy instant scent throw in your own space, contact your consultant to order the new Scentsy Air. And don't forget your pods.